A very good evening to you. I'm Dwayne Borbick with your Business Day. Global travel company Expedia today launched its Expedia Welcome Lounge at the Sangster International Airport. The lounge is the first of its kind globally and will be managed locally by Jamaica Tours Limited. It is expected to help boost tourist arrivals to Jamaica.
This lounge, I think, will impact our guest experience by being able to let all of our customers know when they arrive in destination that Expedia is here with them, and also really setting their expectations when they arrive in the destination on all the things there are to do in this destination to help them get the most out of their travel experience and hopefully encourage them to come back and visit Jamaica again.
This is a very significant step for Jamaica because what this does is it shows Expedia's commitment to the destination for this sort of an investment and a partnership. So it indicates that they are going to use this to promote Jamaica ahead of even some of the other Caribbean countries. So it's a very significant move from such a major partner as Expedia, who are one of the leading tour operators, suppliers of tourists to Jamaica right now.
Expedia is one of the largest tour operators for tourists to Jamaica. The price of oil finished lower on Thursday. Oil for delivery in May fell 17 cents to settle at $50.27 a barrel. The May futures contract expired at the session's end, so as of tomorrow, we will be reporting the June contract. And currency trading ended today with the average selling price of the US dollar selling above $129 for the first time in almost 5 months. That currency closed today at $129.14. The Canadian dollar costs $96.75. The pound sterling sells for $163.42, while the euro is going for $140.37. JAMPRO is pushing to develop the nation's animation industry with a training program for young people interested in animation. The program was launched yesterday and will see 150 young people being trained and after placed in animation projects geared for export. The program is being done in partnership with Studio C, with funding from the World Bank, Korean Trust Fund, and the Ministry of Science and Technology. C2W Music made a profit of $42,500 in the financial year ending December. However, despite the turnaround in its fortunes, auditors have flagged the company's accumulated losses as a serious issue. C2W Music has accumulated losses of more than $1.2 million as at the 31st of December 2016. Its current liabilities exceed its current assets by $145,000. And stock trading ended today with the main JSE market index down more than 820 points to close at 227,264. While the junior market index gained 59 points. The winners of the day included Access Financial, Barita Investments, Carb Cement, Grace Kennedy, Jamaican Teas, the Cayley Group, Main Event Entertainment, Pulse Investments, and the Scotia Group. On the losing end were 1834 Investments, Carreras, Jamaica Producers, NCB Financial Group, Proven Investments, Seprod, and Sweet River Abattoir. That's the Business Day. I'm Dwayne Borbick. Good evening.